If you're an entrepreneur or even looking to launch an idea that you have, Glide allows you to build that idea very quickly. If you have data in a spreadsheet, you can look at the relationship of that and move that into Glide's tables or Glide's big tables very quickly. And as you build that data structure, you're really able to wrap an interface around it within minutes. HoneyBee is an AI-powered CRM for matchmakers in the dating industry. It allows them to save time in collaborations and also managing the interactions with their clients or members. Glide has really helped the application be user-friendly to a non-technical audience, allowed us to use the included components to create good functional design. Prior to HoneyBee, matchmakers were spending a lot of time on administrative tasks. We estimate we save them 10 to 15 hours a week, and Glide has enabled us to do that through these AI features and through capturing, audio and interviews, as well as some of the administrative overhead in messaging and tracking who they've shared profiles with. Matchmakers also typically have to spend somewhere between $500 and $900 a month for multiple software tools, and Glide's AI functionality, as well as a few other features, have allowed us to basically bring all of those different software bills into one system so they can consolidate their expenditures. Prior to HoneyBee, matchmakers used to post profiles they were sharing for collaboration matches almost publicly, like in social media channels or other places where maybe the data privacy and the kind of access to that profile information was a little too broad. So Glide has allowed us to build a secure environment where they can dictate who has access to that profile and they can choose who they want to work with. There's an audit trail. They can submit proposals and they can see the responses to those proposals and even have messaging and chat on the proposal directly. So they don't have to leave the application to work together with other matchmakers. We use AI to summarize and transcribe documents, audio recordings of meetings, as well as video recordings. Glide allows us to implement these AI interactions, including even generating text for bios from the profiles with a click of a button. So we're able to implement things like profile summaries, where we can summarize the information that goes into a dating profile from interviews or from the dating profile itself, so the matchmaker can always surface relevant information directly on the profile without having to do anything. I started a company in 2024 where I built an MVP for that product called AngelStat. I had become familiar with Glide's data relationships and hierarchy, with the interface design and how to lay things out. It allowed me to kind of envision how the HoneyBee software would work in a platform like Glide very easily. So Glide became kind of a very great choice for the initial prototyping phase and moving quickly to respond to feature requests, ideas, suggestions from the customers. And their plans and sort of friendly team interface, great community has all allowed us to scale over the last year to over 50 customers. We're excited to be building on Glide. HoneyBee is growing rapidly year over year, and I'm a solo employee. We've grown to over 50 small business customers, tens of thousands of dating profiles, and hundreds of match proposals. And just watch this space.